Teyana Taylor X Air Jordan 3 Concrete Rose made a powerful appearance during NBA All-Star Weekend in Los Angeles, where singer and creative collaborator Teyana Taylor unveiled one of the most detailed previews of the upcoming sneaker. The reveal took place at the Jordan House of Greatness, a space filled with thousands of red roses that visually echoed the inspiration behind the design. This special edition of the classic Air Jordan 3 introduces bold storytelling through its construction. The upper combines premium leather and synthetic leather for durability and structure, while textile materials appear in the inner lining and in the bright red fabric roses placed on the tongue. Synthetic vine overlays stretch across the sides, symbolizing growth through adversity. A rugged foam midsole designed to resemble cement adds cushioning and impact absorption, while the rubber outsole delivers dependable traction. Finishing details include a gold metal rose hangtag that adds a refined and artistic touch. The release is expected in March 2026 in women's sizing with a retail price of $280.